Hello everyone! YouTube is collecting information about users and channels, and that is called data. If you understand those data, that is called analytics. It measures behavior, demographics, engagement. But if you know how to use and read those insights, it can be very helpful in creating, leading the brand, business, name, etc. Before knowing how to use the analytics, be sure that you learn the social media language, the basics, and the intermediate knowledge of YouTube. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. It's time to learn something new. Go to your YouTube channel, click on Profile Picture, YouTube Studio, Analytics. Each analytics part can be presented in some sort of period of time that you choose. Overview. It tells you the basic things about your channel, such as how many views you had in a selected period. Here's where you're choosing the time period. It is important to know if your channel grows or stagnates. YouTube gives the exact number of watch time, subscribers, and so on. If you notice that these charts are not presenting as you planned, it's time to do something with your channel, such as frequently uploading, longer videos, short videos, more calls to action through video, and so on. Everything that we mentioned so far in our video tutorials. The good thing is that you can see how your channel is doing in the real time. It is important, especially if you just uploaded some video and you want to concentrate on how does your audience respond to it. So here you'll also be able to see the most popular videos at a selected period of time. It tells you what kind of content people like. By clicking on See More under the videos, you can track the views in the last 48 hours or 60 minutes. By clicking on each video, you can see the analytics. This bar here shows you videos by the date. For example, you have published the video on a specific date, so it will show here. Play button if there was only one, and numbers if you published more than one video per one day. Also, YouTube will let you know when your videos are having a better performance and why, like it's shown here. Reach. It presents how many viewers have seen your video. Don't forget the time range in the top right. Impressions. Shows how many times your video thumbnails were shown to viewers, and it presents only impressions on YouTube. Impression click-through rate. It measures how often viewers watch the video after seeing an impression of that video. Views. Channel views compared with the previous period. Unique viewers. It is the estimated number of people that watch your content. Traffic source types. It shows from where your audience came. From its social media, did it come from channels pages, browsed the exact channel or video, came through YouTube by searching the name of the video, author, title, and so on. This traffic source shows the exact number of external sources and tells you if you have to work more on your YouTube presence, Google presence, SEO, cloud social media, and so on. It also helps you to follow most interesting video and from where did the audience come. Some of the traffic may come from the playlists or through YouTube search. Now if you click on See More, you'll be transferred to the advanced mode. We'll talk about it later on in a video. Impressions and how they led to watch time. It shows impressions plus click-through rate plus how those views led to watch time. Views that organize from impressions from selected time range, and this does not include views from sources where YouTube does not track impressions. You can see the total views here. Traffic source external. From where did the audience come? Traffic source playlists. Which playlists are performing the best? Traffic source suggested videos. Lists of videos that are shown next to one the audience is watching. Traffic source YouTube search. Search that brought you to the specific video. Mixing all the previously mentioned helps you see which part of your presentation you'll have to work on. For example, if there are more viewers from Facebook than from your YouTube, you'll have to work better on your SEO, call to action through videos, pay an ad on YouTube. Each time you click on See More, it will lead you to the advanced analytics part of YouTube. Engagement. Watch time in hours. Shows how many hours your videos were watched in the time period. It refers to all your videos, public, private, unlisted, and deleted videos. Average view duration. It's the time that is compared with some previous period watch time. For example, last week people watched twice less or more minutes of your video. Key moments for audience retention. It presents how well different moments of your video held the viewer's attention. It shows top 10 videos and did people watch them after some range of time for intro, continuous segments, spikes, and dips. This part is interesting because you can easily know which part of the video was the most interesting for your audience. Why can this be interesting to you? So you can track what your audience likes. Top videos. Most watched videos on your channel in the selected period of time. Top videos by end screen. It shows how many times someone clicked on the end screen proposed videos or playlist. Top end screen elements type. Which type of elements your audience likes the most. Change the combinations through videos so you can have the right metrics. For example, if you always use playlists for an end screen or just subscribe button, YouTube can compare it with other options. Top playlists. If you have more than one playlist, you can compare them and see which one is the most popular. Keep in mind that it depends on their content or the title of a playlist. Top cards. You place cards into your video, such as playlists, another video recommendation, link, and so on. Did someone click on them? Here you can do the research and see the audience's reactions. Audience. Helps you understand your target group better and closer. If your target group is mostly male, but you wish that it's divided equally or to be mostly female, you'll have to change the way of addressing them. Unique viewers. As we mentioned, it's the estimate of people that watch your videos in the selected time period. Average views per number. The average number of times a viewer watched any video on your channel or particular video. Subscribers. Number of people that clicked on subscribe or unsubscribe button. When your viewers are on YouTube. It presents the time when your audience is mostly active on your channel. Keep in mind that if you upload your video, for example, each time at 7 p.m., it will not show you the right metrics. Try to upload it at different times and see how it works. Subscriber bell notification. Subscribers can click on the bell. This way they'll be notified when your video or live is online. This part shows you how many subscribers have turned on all notifications and how many of them enabled notifications as well. Watch time from subscribers. Your videos are watched by subscribers and non-subscribers. Try to call people to action to subscribe on your channel. This way you're increasing the channel growth. Other videos your audience watched. Shows what your audience watched and liked, but on other channels, not yours. Age and gender. Who watches your channel? If you're selling baby products, do you wish that those videos are watched more by male or female? Of perfumes, hair dye, mobile phones, who's your target group? Top geographics. Shows from where did your audience come. If you're in the local market, you'll prefer that your audience came from your country, right? Top subtitles CC languages. If you have subtitles on your video or translated to another language, which one is the most popular? You can track it from here. Revenue. The best part, right? How much money have you earned during this time period? Remember that you can monetize your videos. When your channel is monetized, you can see how much money you have earned at a selected period of time. Your estimated revenue. Total estimated revenue for the selected date range and region. It includes revenue from Google Ads. Ads that were placed in your videos. Revenue per mile. It shows you how much you earn per 1,000 views. To calculate your RPM, your estimated revenue is divided by your total views in the same time period. Playback base CPM or cost per mile. Shows effective playback base cost per mile and tells you how much advertisers paid per 1,000 monetized playbacks. Monthly estimated revenue. Shows which month was your best and earned most money. Top earning videos. Which video performed the best? Here you can find that. Revenue sources. How your channel makes money through ads or premium. Ad types. Which kind of ads are the most viewable on your channel and in your videos? This can help you manage types of videos or rearrange them. Transaction revenue. It includes money from paid content and super chat. At the top right of each analytics page, you can see the button Advanced Mode. Whoa, that's a plenty of charts, right? Time period. As on each page, you can choose a desired period of time in the top right. Chart. You can select line or bar charts for each statistic separately. Video. It shows each video performance. Those charts are showing you the number of views, watch time, subscribers, everything we've already mentioned. It also shows in charts which one of them had the best performance. Traffic source. From where your audience came from. Geography. Shows the country that has the most viewers of your channel. Viewer age. How old is your audience? Viewer gender. Shows who watches your channel more. Date. Which date was the most popular in the period of time? It may also depend on time and type of your published video. Subscription status. Did your viewers come from subscribers or non-subscribers? Subscription source. In what way your subscribers came to your video or channel, scrolling through your channel by search, and so on. Playlists. Shows which one is the most interesting to your audience. Device type. Handy thing where you can see the device that is used by your audience the most. Lately, it's the mobile phone for most of the channels. YouTube product. It presents the activity from the main YouTube experiences. It excludes YouTube Kids and YouTube Gaming. Video type. Shows activity from uploaded videos and from video premieres that haven't even started yet. Now click on More. Playback location. Shows from where playback came from and did it ever occur on your channel. It means that for some groups your video was interesting and find the similarities between those videos. It will help you create the new ones that people gladly return to. Operating system. Android, Windows, iOS, it can be helpful, especially if you're presenting to products such as apps. Subtitles and CC, as mentioned before in the video. Video info language. If your videos are in different languages and you specifically choose in the settings for each one of them, here you can track which kind of video was the most popular and on which language. Translation use. If your video has translation, people can click on that and use that option. Here you can see how many of them used it. End screen element type. End screen element card type. We have mentioned their analytics before in the video. Card. How many people clicked on your card placed in a video? Sharing service. Have your videos been shared? Here you can find a platform where it was shared. Compare to. Click on the upper right. Each period, video, or group can be compared with another one. For the third one, you'll need to create a group first by clicking on the Create Group button. And why do you need these groups? Well, it can be customized selection of 200 videos, channels, or playlists. This way you can have everything and track everything in one place. You can edit them when you create them. It can really help if you have multi-channel business, or for example, the whole channel network, presenting 10, 50 YouTube channels or YouTubers and want to see performances for each one of them. Remember, there are so many factors that can have influence on a performance. Filter. By clicking on those three lines in the top left, you can filter the data by device type. Geography, live on demand, operating system. These metrics can help you read the stats and can help you in recognizing what is best for your business, performance, and product. For example, you want to find out who uses Android as a platform, how old is that person, where does she live, because you want to present some great Android app. You can combine filters for the live detailed analytics. Search. Clicking on this magnifying glass, you'll be able to search your videos and decide for which one would you like to read the analytics. Mobile device. After this detailed analytics video, you can read the mobile device statistics as well, but remember, the desktop ones are more detailed and complex. Desktop 1 had that advanced detailed mode. As we explained previously in the video, the description and definition of insights, revenue, audience are the same, so make sure that you learn the meaning of each one of them. In order to see analytics on your mobile, download YouTube Studio, tap on 3 lines, then Analytics. As you can see, each part of these analytics is tappable. Each video is tappable as well. First is the overview of the channel. reach, engagement, audience, and revenue are the same as for desktop as previously mentioned. You can check insights in the specific period of time. The good thing is that under the audience part, you can see the list of other channels that your audience is watching. Under the revenue part, this app shows top geographics by CPM, cost per mile. The better the country economy is, the CPM will be higher. Why is this important? This way, you can decide which target group works best for you and decide the path for your business. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.